Guys, quick video on my other Easter. The Trane XV variable speed heat pump 2-stage. So the variable speed heat pump, guys. And this suction on filter jar is leaking. There's signs of oil. So that filter jar is bad. Service first. Yep, same filter jar they had last time. There's your compressor. You can see the reversing valve right there. Hold on. I'll go inside and show you the runtime history and stuff. Trane xv18. There's your gas. This is your gas, guys. That's a regulator going into the house. XV18. It's from 2013. It's 4-ton. That's what I like about Trane. Gives it away. It's an 18-seer. 10 on heating seas up here. Heating seas, no performance factor. Laters.